Hi, I'm Kelly Britton, professional stylist, and for About.com today, I'm going to show you 5 homecoming hair looks. Since the trends for homecoming have shifted from elaborate updos to simple styles, the first look I'm going to show you is a simple, sleek, and classic ponytail. You're going to need to flat iron the whole head in order to begin. Once you've flat ironed the head, pull the hair back into a tight ponytail, take your ponytail holder and wrap it around, securing a low, tight ponytail. You want to take a small 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch section of hair located in your ponytail, pull it from the bottom and wrap it around. You're doing this to cover up the ponytail holder. And we have our first easy style for homecoming. For the second style, you want to keep your ponytail attached and take out the wrapped around piece of hair. You want to take your ponytail and you want to roll upward from the bottom, curving the hair in, keeping a really tight roll all the way up. Take your bobby pin. Once you have your bun secured, you want to spread it apart, creating a nice even chignon. You want a hairspray to get all those loose flyaways and make sure that they're all nice and combed together. And now you've just completed your second style for homecoming, the classic chignon. For the third look, the double chignon, you want to take everything out and move the ponytail to the middle of the head. We're going to do the same thing we just did with the first chignon, only both of these are going to be curled in the opposite direction. So you need to take your hairspray, and you need to really get all those ends sticking together. Spread your fingers to the end and roll up. And you want to fan the chignon outward. Take your lower section and do the same thing. Take your fingers all the way to the end, only this time you're going to roll up. And once again, you want to fan. And this is how you create your third look for homecoming, the double chignon. For the fourth hairstyle, you're going to want to take out all the bobby pins and comb out your ponytail. You want to spiral curl 6 big spiral curls into her hair. Once you've spiral curled her hair, you want to loosely comb it out with your fingers, fluffing from the scalp outward. And with your fingers, you want to comb the hair all the way over to the side, making it real loose and messy. You want to pull the hair from the front, twisting as you pull back, and secure with the other bobby pins. Now you want to take the rest of your hair hanging down and flip it up. You want to spray. And now you've just completed your fourth look for homecoming, the messy side bun. For your fifth look, you're going to take down the messy side bun and you're going to put the hair back into a low ponytail. You want to take your curling iron and you want to spiral curl each section of hair. Once you finish curling, you want to fan out your curls and you want to spray. And now you've just completed your fifth look for homecoming, the curly ponytail. And those are the 5 hair creations for homecoming. Thank you for watching, and for more information, visit us on the web at About.com/style.